Mark got number 1. That could be a keeper. That looks like 12 inches. Yeah. Number 2. He looks like the York Monster, but he's not beat up. No hooks in him. This guy's pretty clean looking, Mark. Yeah. Big boy. To catch 3 fish like this, you'd probably have to be up there 3 hours at the boat launch. You know, if you even catch anything this big. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, he looks like broken jaw, Mark. This is one top jaw on the one side, dislocated. Yeah, looks like it. That's him. Number 4 is a runt. Number 5. Number 6, almost a keeper. He said he had to go to the bank 3 o'clock. Mark got another nice one, big one. That's number 7. Here's number 8. 9. Number 10. Well, here's number 11 today. Looks like a supersized runt. Well, here comes number 12. Yeah, it's almost a keeper.
I guess he's nice.
Number 12. Number 13, supersized runt. Number 14 is a keeper. That's number 15. Number 16, supersized runt. Number 17 today. Keeper too. Well, this is October 6th, the day before the big rain comes. They're predicting maybe 2 inches of rain.